Dzień dobry everyone! So good afternoon, it's Sunday, it means it's coffee o'clock with family and friends. So today we are in one coffee shop in area of Sołacki, so next to the park Sołacki. Damian behind me! So yeah, we will have a coffee and cake o'clock. So we are in a one coffee shop. It's called Franskus Kelanik, and then I'll show you around the place here. It's so beautiful. There is a inside and outside garden, and very nice. Comfy sitting inside. So yeah, let's see what they sell. Basically, this is the coffee shop. Let's see. This one I wanna have a hot cappuccino, and oh, look at the cake, so yummy. What you order? Hi kochanie, finally. So in front of me is actually Park Sołacki, the park that I always go every day for my morning exercise and afternoon exercise. So there is one nice coffee shop that we are going here for Sunday coffee o'clock. It is Bardzo Polecam. So yeah, I'll show you the place. Like this, they have a outside sitting area, and look at the garden, a beautiful garden. Nice. They have cat. Look at this cat is sleeping. Very nice. So yeah, that's the place, and we will sit outside today. It's very nice, beautiful weather. Oh, look like that one from Bali, no? This one.
The bird eating my cake.
Ah,
Yeah.
hot.
Hot.
Smacznego. It is a very nice weather today. It's just about 23 degrees. And yeah, we just had a 1 hour coffee o'clock fika time. So what I really like about living in Poland is just like once a week we definitely have a meeting time with the family, friends. So nice. So I feel so loved and I feel so blessed actually living here, and I feel so lucky as well. Look at this beautiful lake in a Park Sołacz. So nice, and look at the beautiful sunshine. So Damian has to go back to work, and Wujek and Cho-chang also has to go shopping, weekly shopping. And now I would like to showing you my favorite park, and just about 5 minutes from our apartment. And yeah, so it's busy, and what I can say then, this is how actually the daily life of me living in Poland, and yeah, so enjoyable. It's a bit windy today, and in front of me is the Port Sołacz. It's like a hotel and restaurant, and Damian and Wujek and Cho-chang told me like this hotel or restaurant is famous for the high class people who wants to enjoy the weekend here in the Park Sołacki. Look at this one. Can you hear the sound of the nature? It's so beautiful. I really like to see the beautiful flowers. Look at this. It smells so good. Wow. And then in front of me, you see, people here are different. I mean, like Damian explained to me, they said many high-class people are coming to the Park Sołacz on the weekend. They're having a time, going to the restaurant, just like this, dress up elegantly. So nice. This is basically the Port Sołacz, and the people are visiting here. It's totally different, wearing suits, nice, fancy. Wow. Look at this beautiful place. Lake, having a lunch or brunch in the Port Sauvage. I'm actually still very full. I'm just showing you like, you know, what is Polish people normally do during the weekend. Yeah, just like this, enjoying time with the family, friends, fika time. Can you hear the sound of the nature? It's amazing. It's very clean. So what I like about this park is wherever you go, there is a bike cafe if you need a coffee or drink or maybe a small snack. People riding a bike. If you want to have ice cream, in front of you there is a nice, very nice ice cream shop. And there is a quite a huge playground under the tree. So yeah, this one is just like a very friendly, family friendly place. Wow. It's very nice, and people having a picnic, you know, family with the friends. Amazing. Wow. And the most important thing, it is a very clean. Look at these beautiful purple flowers. Very nice. And look at the statue. It's just like a forest bathing, you know, like walking on the forest, enjoying the sound of the nature. It's very relaxing and healing. Oh, look at this statue. And Damian and Wujek said that this area is the most expensive estate in Poznan. So many politicians, many, you know, Poznan celebrities, they are living here. No wonders. That was the coffee shop where we were, and the tram is going. And that is the park here. So we walk on the small bridge, and one thing that I see, they have a lock here. Oh, love and lock. Very nice. And you see, it's totally different. People walking with the suit, having a time with families, sitting on the grass, riding bicycles. It's so peaceful life, right? Amazing. It's beautiful blooming flowers like this, like this, like this. Very nice. And then the park, the lake, the birds, the ducks. Just like in front of me, there are so many nice, expensive houses. So like Wujek and Jochang told me, fancy location. And in Sauvage, it's also famous for the bunker like this, you know, because during the World War II, if you can read this one and translate it in the English. So during the World War II, this area is also famous for the bunker, you know, where you can save from, you know, the German Nazi, something like that. I'll show you where it is location. So the bunker is exactly look like this. It is locked. So long time ago, many people are hiding underneath this bunker, you know, from the World War II. Past was dark, but future must be bright, right? And that's actually the thing. That's the sign of the bunker. So many historical places that you need to explore and discover. So how to go here? You can go by bus, by tram, by taxi, or by this hop and go, or by bicycle. so many ways. So this is basically how it looks around. So that was the Park Sawachi. We were there in a coffee shop, and this is another restaurant. So I'll show you another restaurant as well. So this is basically my daily walking in Poland. This one, Petit Paris, is also a very nice restaurant, like Damian explained to me. Even many, police celebrities and also politicians coming here. Right, I think that's all my video for today. This is how I spend my weekend basically. So family time, but still I will show you what it is like living in Poznan, Poland daily. So yeah, I think that's all my video. Thanks for watching and see you next time. Bye.